Good morning, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video I wanted to share just our home updates. I don't know if I mentioned in my Shein vlog, but we're currently on Operation Get the House Sorted for Rio's birthday. Mainly downstairs because we've got all of Kyle's family and my family coming over, and there's only 2 weeks to go now. So we're just doing what we can when we can to try and get the house just looking nice and freshened up a little bit as well. But I just wanted to share with you some of the things that we're doing and some of the plans that I've got for future as well, and how I want to renovate the house. But yeah, I just thought, in case any of you are interested, I wanted to share this video with you today. So first I thought I'd show you our living room. So this is our living room. It's just like a small area because we've got the stairs as well in the living room. But yeah, we put the media wall in when we moved in, and this is a wall that we've wallpapered as well, so we'll show you like the before and after and a little bit during, but it was a bit of a nightmare as well. I don't think I would ever wallpaper a media wall again. But let me know if you want to know where anything is from as well, because I'm happy to tell you in the comments. So the next room that we also need to wallpaper as well is the downstairs toilet. So we did already wallpaper this wall when we first moved in. It was a wallpaper from B&Q. I think we've got another roll of it here. It's boutique, luxury. I don't know what it's actually called, but it's like this really nice textured effect. As you can tell, I obviously love textured wallpaper, but this one was actually okay at wallpaper, it wasn't too bad. And then we painted the rest of the walls in, I think it was called Stone Terrace from Valspar. We got all that because I just wanted it to match the wallpaper, and I wanted to like colour drench the toilet, so basically that's what we did. But we decided we want to wallpaper this wall as well. It would actually look nice all the way around, but I'm not attempting to wallpaper that back, like where the window is and everything like that. I just think that's just be too difficult. So we're going to wallpaper this wall as well, so then that both that wall and that wall will be wallpapered. Also, mainly because when we painted this, we got a really bad roller, and I don't know if you can see, but there's literally like fluff in the wall, so I think we're just going to wallpaper that wall as well, and I think it'll look really nice. This is just some of our accents that we've got, some little cherry blossom, artificial flowers. That's supposed to be filled up with loo roll, but I still need to do that. And just some diffusers. I need a mirror as well to go there. My plan isn't here. Normally I'm like a gold accents type of person, but because I'm like a gold jewellery person. But in here, I don't know, just with the brown, I just really want to go with silver. So we've gone with like silver, and because obviously the top's silver as well, so we went with the silver handle here. I actually got this from my mum and dad, they weren't using it. I think it's from Next. And then I also got this, which is from Amazon, just a toilet roll. I think they call it toilet roll butler. Yeah, that was just from Amazon. And I want like a silver framed mirror to go here, I think. So this is where we've got our dining table, and this is the picture that I painted myself. I wanted to do like an abstract picture, and I couldn't really see any that were like the blue colour that I wanted, so I ended up just getting the canvas from the range and all the acrylic paints that I wanted, and I used some polyfiller to do the texture as well, so I really like how it turned out. But I do want to get a picture light to go above that as well. I'm thinking like a black picture light. I was thinking I do like the gold ones, but we've got gold in the frame and I feel like it might be a bit too much gold. We also need a light for up here as well, but we've just recently got this dining table, and before we had a circle one, and I don't know what type of light would go up there now, I can't decide. And we also, as you can see, we need to repaint as well above there, because that's where we had the light moved over and it was patched in. This is the dining table that we got as well. This is from, I think it's called Koku Home, but it's such a nice quality as well. We had a nightmare with our last dining table from DFS, but this one just seems like such a good quality, and it's solid wood as well. We did have a runner on this table as well, like a cream runner, but it's just not long enough, so I'm going to have to try and find another runner for the table. This was what I mentioned on my Shein haul as well, where I got this artificial sea moss for the table. But yeah, this is what it's looking like for now. We are eventually, it's an integrated garage on that side, so we're going to knock through. I keep a little bit of the garage at the front for storage, and then we're going to like make this like an open plan dining area, kitchen, and a little extra lounge area as well, which I'm quite excited to do because it'll be nice for more space for Rio to run around as well. I did actually want to get panelling for this wall, just to a bit like similar to what we've got in the living room, but I think there's no point really if we're going to knock through eventually. So for now, this is what it looks like. I'm going to try and get a picture light off Amazon, I think, for above there, and I think we're not going to paint it or anything yet. We're just going to leave it for now until we do everything that we want to do for it. But yeah, so this is the media wall that we're going to be wallpapering today. I need to move all of this stuff out of the way, and this is the wallpaper that we're going to be doing it in. It's like this like an embossed effect. It's by, I don't even know how you say that, I think it's Opus Superior Italian vinyl wallpaper. But yeah, I hope you can see that on there. It's got this like embossed effect, but it's got like, it's quite shiny in the light. I really like it, and I think it's going to go really nice on that wall. You can get it in B&Q, but I ended up actually ordering it on, can't remember the website name, but I'll put a link in the description anyways in case you're interested. So wish us luck. We're going to try and do it around the TV as well, so this is all going to have to come away. So this is the finished result of the wallpaper. We didn't actually end up videoing the process of it all because I don't know if anyone's tried to wallpaper a media wall before, especially when you're not experienced in wallpaper, and it was an absolute nightmare to do. So I think I only got like the first bit going on, and then the rest of it was quite difficult, to be fair. But yeah, it looks okay at the moment. We're not completely happy with it. It's just because you can feel like you can see the seams so much, but I think for now it's gonna have to do until, I don't know, we change our minds or something, or we decide on something else. So we're just about to go out to B&Q now. Hi guys, so I'm just going to show you our dressing room now, which is the room that we're going to do up next. So this is the room that we're going to start painting today, and we need to pick the wallpaper for it, but I'll show you the current state that it's been in since we moved in October last year. So this is literally the state of the room and how it's been for the past, I don't even know how many months that is, like 8 months or something. Wardrobe came when we got in the house. They'd already got this put in, but it was actually a dark grey colour, and I didn't want it dark grey, so we decided to start painting it. So I only got the paint a couple of weeks ago from B&Q, and it's the B&Q Home one. I think it's the Good Home range, and I got that one in the match for the Dulux Summer Linen, as that's the colour I wanted. So I started painting it, but we've only done one coat yet, so that's why the mirrors are all taped up at the moment. So we're going to paint that, and then the walls are actually going to be the same colour as well. I'll explain that in a second. So the walls are going to be the same colour as well, and basically it's just, I just wanted it all to kind of blend in with the wardrobes in the colour Summer Linen. And then we need to pick a wallpaper. So I got this one originally, which was from the range, and I really like that. It's like, it's shown up really vibrant actually, I think, on the camera, but it's actually so subtle. It's like really subtle palm leaves, and I do really like the effect of it. But then we were in B&Q yesterday, you'll have seen, and I also got this one as well, which I can't really hold it up, but yeah, I got this one as well, which has got the leaves, but it's also got these gorgeous little flowers on it as well. And I was between like kind of wanting some sort of like cherry blossom style wallpaper as well in here. I wasn't too sure what to go for, and now I'm holding them up against each other. As soon as we got home, I was really convinced yesterday that this was the one that I wanted in this room, but when I got home yesterday, I'm still undecided on that one. I really don't know what to pick. So I still need to make that decision, but I think once we've painted all the other walls, so it's going to be, this wall is going to be wallpapered, this wall painted, this is where we're going to get an IKEA wardrobe eventually, but we're not going to get it yet because they are so expensive. So we're just going to come up with a makeshift solution. So I think we're either going to get some clothing rails or some kind of canvas wardrobes just to put there, just so that we've got like a space for all of Kyle's clothes, because at the minute this is the current situation, we've just got like what we can't fit in that wardrobe down here, and he's got his work clothes in the bag there as well, because we also need a space for them, like a good, like a section for them. This rug's gonna go, this was literally from downstairs. We had it under our old dining table, so we don't have that anymore, so it's just up here. But yeah, dressing tables, I'm planning on going there in that space. Obviously those wardrobes are staying, they're just getting painted, and I'll explain this. So this was for, as I think Hailey Beaver said, for those who have a sense of humour, basically I've seen it. Obviously anyone who also likes Justin Bieber as much as me will have seen that he obviously did the Coachella set. They were selling those at one of the Coachella stands. Obviously I didn't go to Coachella, but Kyle ordered that off the Skylark website for me, and it took like 6 weeks to come. But yeah, and then I made a joke that I wanted to frame it up in here, and we haven't obviously got a frame or anything for it, but I just hung it up above the mirror.
You're right then. Who's going to help? Eh? On the wall.
Wow, you're so clever. Wednesday, so it's 3 days on since we started painting this room. We've both been at work the past couple of days, so we haven't really done anything else. The last thing we did do on Sunday night was we painted this wardrobe again. We just gave it another coat, but I actually think it needs one last coat just to kind of get all like the brush lines out, and then I think it'll be finished. I am really happy with how the paint colour is looking now. It's like this creamy light beige. It's the Dulux Summer Linen, but the Valspar dupe, it's the one that you get mixed up. But I really like it, I'm really happy with it in this room. We are no further forward at choosing a wallpaper. I decided I didn't like this one against the paint colour. I think the tones don't go right. I think this one goes better, but I feel like it's just not very me in the end. I think when I've been looking at it, I do love the way it looks, and it was kind of what I envisioned for the room, which is weird, but I don't think it's very me, and I think if I'm not that happy with it, then I should probably just leave it and try and find something else. So I think we're going to go this weekend to the Range or B&M just to kind of see if there's anything else that I like the look of, and I might take a paint sample with me as well to make sure that I'm getting like the right tones in the wallpaper that'll match the paint. So I think I'm going to do that, and then the next job will be to try and find a wardrobe solution until we get the IKEA wardrobes later on in the year probably. And then I need to find a dressing table and an ottoman as well for the middle of the floor, and then the dressing room will be finally complete. So I'm really excited for that to be finished, and obviously the full transformation will technically be by the end of the year when we get the actual IKEA wardrobes. But for now I'm happy that we've actually got a room that's starting to be done and that I can get dressed in. Anyways, I hope you all liked today's video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you do like watching my videos and you want to see the rest of the dressing room transformation and other videos similar to this. And I hope you all enjoyed. So see you in the next video. Bye.